Hello, today I'm going to show you about the tessellation. I'm going to show you about this thing, features, tessellator and quadratic. I'm going to talk about this tessellator. I tried to do lots of research and could not find the exact code for the tessellator and how to merge them, like how to merge all the code in C++ OpenGL. So finally I managed to get the code, and this OpenGL Redbook is really helpful. So today what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you all the code, how I have merged them together. And in this book, the code they are in random place. They have not been showing together, and I tried to do lots of research and couldn't find any of them. So this might be helpful for you. Basically, so yeah, we need that one. So you need these things. You need everything from here, and I use code from here and combine them. So, and I'm going to show today about this one. So you need three rectangle or square, 1 2 3, and you need to keep the coordinates, the vertex of each rectangle. So basically, I just get the code from the red book I showed you. So these things down, down, and down, and I added these two things. So basically, how you have to implement is you have to write these things and write the begin call, end call, user callback, and you have to add these things as well. And in the initial part, you just need to put them like that. This code are in the red book, so you can just copy and paste. The thing just I'm just helping for it where the code needs to be implemented. So you initialize here, creating the new list for the new tessellator, and you put down the code here, and you just put the code here. I just added these two rectangle to so that they're inside the big one. So just put down. If you want to see this code, you can pause here and just copy this vertex. And after that, here you in display you just put the call list, start list, because here we have used a new list to store the data. And after that, these are the normal thing. So if you run this, yeah, if you run this, you will get something like that one. This is the big rectangle, this is another rectangle, and that another rectangle. This is something like that one, like that one. Like I have three rectangle, and they all are in the same direction, and so this is one. At the moment, this is red, black, and red, because I have given function like that one. That means if that's odd, then make them red. So these are two area which is odd. That's why we can see red here. It took me hours and hours to find that code. I could not find anywhere. So it might be helpful. Then if you want to there's another thing, just write your code here. Like if you want to add another rectangle inside, just create one rectangle here and give here like so this begin counter and in counter. This is one rectangle, this is another rectangle, and this is another rectangle, and this one is the big rectangle, this medium and the small one, and they are inside the big polygon. So if you remove this code, let's see what happens. I'm still giving the same thing. Anyway, you got the basic idea how to set this tessellation in the OpenGL C++. I think this is helpful. So if you, this is for the, you create new list, new GL list, and you implement this jar. So you say the positive one, so you end on the positive area. Okay, let me check what happened here. Oh yeah, I have here. Yeah, so you can say that. So this is the all the stars here are the positive area. Let's see. You can see here that all the area they are positive. That's why you can see that there is not a hole. I can have positive. So if we change that to odd, then it will give black in the middle. You see that we only want the odd one. So here we said that we only want the odd one, so these three area they are different. So this one is the even, so the black one is the even, so that's getting a hole. So I think it's helpful. So you can try. What I'm trying to show is how we can set up the tessellation in OpenGL C++. So you just give that one, give these things, and you can easily these things. I just copied from the red book. They're not in the proper order, just I just managed them here. Thank you guys for watching.